참말로 다시 teleshue en taring anzo en sinda kewe ki ani linear equation gaji ni part niwa di jangaira ta linear equation ki part niwa di nanglo lang anzo khar jangar la na khazang anzo question jaim ba variable then so solve chida on di jangaira. So we are going to solving an equation, right? Solving equation la nganzo la method ni yore ra thangbo method thangbo di da nganzo khazan chedir ra kone chik thiwa chik chen na nganzo ra penetration fraction form la yor inde if you have fraction form like this x upon 3 ra penetration minus 1 upon 2 and equals to kisilar nge 3 upon 4 do le maina. This is your first method how you are going to solve this equation, right? So what you will do, first you will keep a variable on a one hand side and then constant on a shift constant on another side. So first of all, variable on the left hand side it is x upon 3 and then 3 upon 4 the negative 1 upon 2 is a fraction and it is a negative number. So negative number the left hand side ne right hand side la shift chana dikha chalna positive 1 by 2. Now it is in the rational number form, right? 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2, or you can call it as in a fraction form. Now in case of addition now rational number langazo khadu ine khachola denominator chikba rede milata. We are going to check whether our denominator is same or not. If the denominator is not same, we are going to make the denominator same by taking the LCM. So now we are going to take an LCM of number 4 and 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and 2 1s are 2. Okay, so LCM of 2 and 4 is 2 2s are 4. So 4, you are going to make this number into 4, right? So x upon 3 as it is equals to 3 upon 4 plus now you're going to make this into 4. So you will multiply with the 2. So whatever number you multiply in the denominator, same number should be multiplied in the numerator. Okay class, now x upon 3 equals to 3 and this will become 2 and your denominator is 4, so you can write it only once. So your product is x upon 3 is equals to 3 plus 2 is 5 upon 4. Now next step, what you will do, you will just cross multiply here. Cross multiply khar chalna 4 into x. 4 will multiply with the variable x and then 5 will multiply with the 3. So 4 times x is equals to 5 3s are 15. 4x dikha rahe multiplication na re do chezan the left hand side ne 4 the multiply le samba right hand side le samba dikha chalna divide here. So x is equals to 15 upon 4 and this is your answer. This is the first method how you are going to solve this equation, right? This is your first method how you are going to solve this equation. The chikpa number dinere, I'm taking this number similar, means this question similar. We are going to solve this same equation with the second method. So the second method lakhar chelana. In second method you have a two method. So this now solving equation with the second method. Okay, tata second method langanzo khachelna. First of all, we are going to check the LCM, right? Means denominator. Here denominator is 3, here denominator is 2, here denominator is 4. So what we will do, we will take an LCM of number 3, number 2 and number 4. So with the number 2, 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again with the prime number 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 as it is, 3 as it is. So with the prime number 3, 1 1 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So LCM is 12. Round so LCM bichungi le se. The second method la thangbo khachil na thangbo macha tare macha chikpa mena and macha means the LCM se round so. The LCM you will get 12, right? Now multiply the number 12 with the each fraction. So thangbo 12 thire. 12 thire x upon 3 yamdo 12 is multiply. Negative again 12 will multiply with the 1 upon 2 and then 12 will multiply with the fraction 3 upon 4. Ta cut tangay na tangay re. Cheza 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Tata, simple equation now, let's convert here. So 4 will multiply with the x, it will become 4x minus 6 1s are 6 equals to 3 3s are 9. Tata, equation simple cha se. Complicated equation ne simple equation la convert char. Convert char samba the variable the left hand side la rangja share 4x as it is, 9 as it is, number negative 6 from left hand side. When this negative 6 shift from left hand side towards the right, its operation will become positive. So it will become plus 6. So 4x as it is, 9 plus 6 is 15. Right. So 4x is equals to 15 and 4x is in a multiple. Now you will make this into, now you're going to find out for the x, right? So 15. 4x दिखा multiply now already. Multiply ने left hand side ने right hand side lag shift छे ना the divide छे. So this is how you are going to solve the second method, and second method is very easy, right? Step she's not sir tada 당보 step 당보도 가지래 만족이 맞아다래 fraction 된서 각보 동기였나 라 야매나 fraction 코라파주 땅네 solve छेने डिगोरे या매나 맞아다래 맞아 किसी चिकपायो ना गाजे चिकपायो ना directly solve छे चिकपा मेना खाजेला ना LCM सेरे LCM दी चुंगी लेसा नब चुंगी दी नि fraction 상만염도 multiply छे संबा नि कट तांग ना कट तांग and simple equation ली रे छिदां ये ले लो रा. This is a very second method is a very easy for you. So now we are going to solving equation practice question छे ना निश कोने. Okay ta x plus 1 upon 3 minus 2x plus 1 upon 4 and equals to 1. Okay, that you will have so x plus 1 divided by 3 minus 2x plus 1 divided by 4. Here it's 1. The 1 dikhare 1 is a number, it's a natural number, and every natural number has a denominator 1. So you can keep it as a 1 upon 1, right? P by Q formula, fraction formula. Because your other numbers are in the fraction form, similarly you will take it as a in the fraction form. But number 3, number 4, number 1. So 3, 4, 1 key LCM say 3, 4, 1. So 3 1s are 3, 4 as it is 1, then 4, okay, then 2 2s are 4, again 2 1s are 2. Okay, 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So LCM is 12. Tata, can this solve chegome? So now you will multiply 12 with the each fraction. So 12 x plus 1 divided by 3. Again minus, then 12 2x plus 1 by 4 equals to 1 upon, okay, equals to 12 multiplied by 1 divided by 1. Okay, ta, now cut down 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 as it is, right? Tata, what your equation will become like this. Okay, so 4x plus 1 minus 3 2x plus 1 and equals to 12. Now what you will do, now you are going to, first of all you are going to open the bracket. So 4x, 4 1s are 4, 3 2s are minus 6x minus 3 equals to 12. Now again what you will do, here you will add the like terms, 4x and negative 6x. So your product is negative 2x and shine sumthena chigreler. So plus 1 equals to 12. Understood chase? Okay. Now so negative 2x equals to 12 rangjache. This is positive 1, right? It's a constant term, number 1. it's a constant positive 1. When this constant number positive 1 shift from left hand side towards the right hand side, its operation will be changed and it will convert into negative 1. So 12 minus 1. So negative 2x jasa. So negative 2x as it is, and then 12 minus 1 is 11. Okay class, now negative 2x is in product. Product means in multiple. So you will keep x as it is, 11 and 2. It will become negative 2 ra. Negative 2 re in rational number denominator should not be negative. So you will not keep it like this. What you will do? You will shift this negative towards the center, or you can keep it towards the numerator. So you will keep it like this, and x is equals to negative 11 upon 2. This is your answer. Go to say. This is your second method how you are going to solve the equations. होगी गड़बड़ तो फ्लाइट मोड नहीं रखा था. Okay, the last question change. Okay, now we are going to solve one more question. Okay, 3m plus 1 divided by 2 plus m minus 3 upon 5 equals to m plus 1 upon 3. Again, we are going to solve this question with the second method. So first of all, what we will do, we are going to find out the LCM. So LCM of 2, 5 and 3. 2 ones are 2, 5 as it is, 3 as it is. 3 ones are 3, 5 as it is, and 5 ones are 5. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So your LCM is 30. Your LCM is 30. 30 LCM. Now, what you will do? Directly multiply all the fractions with a 30. So your first step is directly multiply with a 30. So 3m plus 1 and divided by 2 plus 30m minus 3 divided by 5 equals to 30m plus 1 divided by 3. Okay. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30. 5 ones are 5, 5 6s are 30. 3 ones are 3, 3 10s are 30. Okay, now your equation will become like this. 15 3m plus 1 plus 6m minus 3 equals to 10m plus 1. Now you're going to solve the brackets over here. So 15 3s are what? 45m plus 15 1s are 15. 6m, 6 3s are minus 18 equals to 10m plus 10. What does it say? Now 45m and 6m are like terms. You're going to add this. So 45 plus 6 is how much? It's 51, right? 51m. Now 15, positive 15, negative 18. It will become negative 3. On the other hand side, it's 10m plus 10. Now, what you will do? You will keep the variable on a one hand side and constant on another hand side, right? So 51m, 10m the pajola positive in a negative 10m equals to 10 as it is, negative 3 shift from here, it will become a positive 3. Okay class, now it is 41m equals to 13 and m is equals to 13 divided by 41. This is your answer. Understood, Chase? This is how you are going to solve the fractions having a variable on a both hand side. So thank you for today that much, and thank you and have a nice day.